calculus. Now the topic is the vector integration. Okay, so this is the last topic in this module, vector integration. Here we have the first topic is a line integral, nothing but single integration of a vector. And next we have three theorems. So as I told earlier, Green's theorem, Gauss divergence, and Stokes theorem. So problems on that. So no derivation. So now totally in this vector integration we have four topics. Okay. Now take on the first heading, vector integration. Vector integration. Yes. Take down the definition. Let vector A. So whatever the vector A be any vector, any vector, comma, the line integral of vector A is given by next line, integration of vector A dot dr. Integration of vector A dot dr, where vector R equals anyone. What is R? Anyone?
Xi cap plus yj cap
Yes.
plus zk cap.
It is a position vector xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. This is standard wherever we are using R in this module. So in the beginning we discussed. Okay, so small r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. That implies dr is equal to dxi cap plus dyj cap plus dzk cap. Okay, so this is dr. A is our problem. Dr you have to calculate like this, and in between a dot product. Okay, so actually see A is given in terms of xyz only, the problem, and dr is also it is in terms of xyz. So but finally you have to integrate, but it should be a single integration, nothing but in single integration only one variable allowed. Okay, so with some substitution or they will give what is C, the curve. Okay, then you have to combine, you have to use that equation and you should convert it into a single variable and just integration, and they will use some points from A to B that you have to substitute upper limit and lower limit. Simple integration as usual, like differentiation. Here it is a integration parts come. Okay, yes, take down. Next line, if capital F, okay, particularly F is a vector represents force acted upon by a particle along the curve C, along the curve C, then next line, then line integral means integration of f dot dr. Just put it in box. This is very important. Represents the total work done by the force. By the force. Okay. So this is an application. So if F is a vector, if we treat F as a force acted upon a particle along the curve, okay, so then F dot dr gives the total work done. This is the formula. This is along C. You can take here it is C. Okay, line integral along C. C means they will give some curve or some straight line, parabola, so like that. So that we have to calculate. So maximum question. So they will ask us to calculate the total work done. Okay. So before solving that application problem, we will solve some simple problems to calculate this integration, line integration. Okay. Yes. Take down the problem. Problems. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, take down. If F equals problems, if F equals xy I cap plus yz j cap plus xz k cap, xz k cap, evaluate the integral, evaluate or simply in 1 minute, evaluate the line integral f dot dr, the line integral f dot dr along C, where C represents a curve. C represents a curve x equals t, y equals t square, and z equals t cube, and z equals t cube, comma, minus 1 less than or equal to t less than or equal to plus 1. Okay, one parametric equation is given. Yes. So this is the formula f dot dr you have to calculate. First, given, take down the solution. Given f equals xy I cap plus yz j cap plus xz k cap. Okay, so this is f. First we have to simplify this dot product of f and dr. F is a given problem. Dr we have to calculate. Okay, we know that r equals xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap implies dr equals dxi cap plus dyj cap plus dzk cap. Okay, this is r. Now calculate this part f dot dr you find out. Okay, next line. Therefore, f dot dr equals just substitute f and dr between dot product xy I cap plus yz j cap plus xz k cap dot dxi cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. Yes, what is the answer? How to calculate dot product?
xy into dx.
xy
dx
plus
plus yz dy
plus
xz
xz
dz.
dz. Correct? So dot product means You have to multiply corresponding components and you should not write ijk. You will get it is a scalar. Okay, this is f dot dr. Now what is given? Given x equals t, y equals t square, and z equals t cube. Okay, that you have to substitute here. And see, I told no, a single integration, nothing but only one variable is allowed. And here there are three variables x, y, z is there. Complete all this x, y, z you should convert into one variable with the help of some substitution. They will give either they will give curve or they will give the parametric equation like this. Okay, so first you convert it. So here x, y, z I can substitute, but dx, dy, dz also you should calculate. What is dx now? What is dx?
1.
If x is equal to t, what is dx? Dx means it is
dt.
just a differentiation. Yes, dt this is okay, not 1. It is dt. Dy is, what is the differentiation of 2t square?
2t dt.
2t dt.
2t dt. And dz is 3t
3t square
square
dt.
dt. Okay.
Square.
Now substitute all substitute all 6 terms in the f dot here. Therefore, f dot dr equals substitute here x means t. I will use the bracket t. Y means t square or okay. No negative sign is there. No, not required. So I will put a simple dot only. T into t square x y. Dx means dt plus y is t square, z is t cube, dy is 2t dt plus x is t, z is t cube, and dz is 3t square dt. See, dt is common. You can take outside and you can write in the outside RHS right side. So that gives t into t square is t cube first term plus 2 into t to the power of 6. Base is same, powers can be added. Okay, 6 plus 3 into again t power 6 only into dt. So dt you can take outside. Okay, so finally, therefore, integral of f dot dr equals integration of t cube plus I can add these two now. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5t power 6. So this I have to integrate with respect to t, and in the problem it is given t varies from where to where?
Minus
-1 to +1.
Yes, it is given -1 to +1. Yes, now it is a simple integration. Okay, so throughout this module, either differentiation or integration, it is simple only. So first you should be strong in the basics, but the thing is you should convert that into a vector. Okay, vector you should convert into a standard form. After that, you have to either you have to differentiate or you have to integrate. Okay. Yes. What is the integration of t cube with respect to t? What is the integration of t cube?
T power 4/4.
T power 4 divided by 4 plus what is the integration of 5t power 6? 5t power
5t
7
power
divided
7.
by 7. Now for this you should substitute. Substitute t equals -1 to t equals +1. Okay. Yes. Simplify upper limit and lower limit. Upper limit. I will put first t equals 1. You will get 1/4 plus 5/7. Is it right? This is upper limit. Put t equals 1. 1 power 4 and 1 power 7 you will get 1 only. 1/4 plus 5/7 minus for lower limit put t equals -1. You should be careful here. Negative sign you are substituting. minus 1 power 4 means you will get 1 by 4 only. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whereas second term t power 7 minus 1 power 7 is minus, you will get minus 5 by 7. Correct? Huh? So I will write, if you want here, minus 1 to the power of 4 is plus 1, whereas minus 1 to the power of 7 is minus 1. Add power gives negative, but even power changes minus to plus. Yes, finally, remove the bracket. Don't take LCM or anything. Just remove the bracket. What it gives? 1 by 4 plus 5 by 7 minus 1 by 4 minus minus plus 5 by 7. Yes, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 cancel. 5 by 7 means 2 times 5 by 7. The answer is 10 by 7. So this is the line integral of f dot dr. Got it? Along the curve C. Any doubt? Yes, any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
So just I will briefly I will explain. They will give the problem like this. They will give one vector f. It should be in terms of x, y, z only. Okay, and you have to calculate integral of f dot dr. So they will give C as a curve either in terms of parametric, that is a substitution like this, or they will give only one curve like parabola, circle like that. You should convert into a single variable and you should evaluate. So the main thing is here the basic formula, simple formula is f dot dr, dot product of given problem and dr. Dr is fixed. Actually, these two steps also not required. Dr it is a standard dx I cap, dy j cap and dz k cap. You can consider from here directly. Consider f dot dr means you can write like this. So to understand easily, just I am writing what is r and what is dr. Okay. So once you calculate the dot product, so you will get a scalar, okay, without ijk, and it should be in terms of xyz only. So now use what is given parametric equation and convert into a single variable. So it will convert in terms of a single variable either t, and here they will give what is the value where t varies from, that is -1 to +1. So that you have to use here in the integration part. Okay, and finally integrate. It is a simple integration and substitute upper limit and lower limit and simplify like this. Okay, so I hope you understand, and I'll continue the problems on this. Just a minute. Yes, next problem. Just take down. If f equals if f equals 3x square plus 6y I cap minus 14yz minus 14yz j cap plus 20 plus 20x square z k cap, evaluate the line integral f dot dr, evaluate the line integral f dot dr from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 along the curve given by x equals t, same substitution, x equals t, y equals t square y equals t square and z equals t cube. Okay, it is given x equals t, y equals t square and z equals t cube. Actually, t varies from where to where, it is not given. What to do? What's the limit you should take?
0 to 1.
0 to 1 only. Okay, it is given x varies from 0 to 1. See, 0 0 0 nothing but x, initial values of x y z, and upper limit is final value is x y z is 1 1 1. So combining this, and it is x y z in terms of t only, you will get 0 to 1 only. Okay, if you calculate here, if I put x is equal to t, it is given, no? When x is 0, t also 0. When x is 1, t also 1. So same way in y and z also. Okay, even though it is not given particularly to t, you should take it is 0 to 1 only. Yes, do it. Solution. You can consider like this also. Consider f dot dr, that is equal to 3x square plus 6y I cap minus 14 yz j cap plus 20 x square z k cap dot dr nothing but yes, okay, sorry, some network issue. Dot dr nothing but dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. So in this way also you can write directly, okay, because r is standard and dr is also standard. Yes, what is the dot product? Calculate 3x square plus 6y dx minus 14 yz dy plus 20 x square z dz. Correct? First
Yes,
with
sir.
first, second with second.
Yes.
Yes, and third with third multiplication. Now, given same x equals t, y equals t square, and z equals t cube. So calculate dx, that is just dt, dy, 2t dt, and dz 3t square dt, and substitute it. Therefore, f dot dr equals, therefore vector f dot dr equals, yes, substitute 3 into x square nothing but t square plus 6y again 6t square multiplied by dx is dt minus 14 y nothing but t square z nothing but t cube and dy 2t dt plus 20 x square nothing but t square z nothing but t cube dz nothing but 3t square dt. Okay, so it will convert all three variable into one, that is t, and if it is a single variable we can integrate easily. Now simplify. I will take dt outside. So finally 3t square plus 6t square is 9t square, first term. Second term is minus 14 2s are 28. 14 2s are 28. T power 2 plus 3 5 5 plus 1 6. T power 6 and plus 23 is a 60. 60 t power 7. Yes, t
Yes,
power
sir.
7 into dt. Yes. So we can't simplify further because three different terms. One, first one with respect to t square, then t power 6 and t power 7. Let it be. Now consider integration. Consider the line integral f dot dr along C, that is equal to integral of 9t square minus 28t power 6 plus 60t power 7 dt, where t equals varies from 0 to 1. Okay, so t equal to 0 to 1. Integrate 9t square integration is 9, right, as it is. T square integration is t cube by 3 minus 28 into t power 6 integration is t power 7 by 7 plus 60 into t power 7 integration is t power 8 divided by 8, and you have to substitute for this t equals 0 to t equals 1. Yes. Before substitution, first simplify. Any term cancel, you cancel it. So here see 3 and 9 cancel. You will get 3 times so that is 3t cube minus 7 fours. Is it right? 7 and 28 cancel. 7 fours. 4 times t power 7 minus this is
15 by 2.
Cancel by 4, no? 4 2s, 4 15s, so 15 by 2, t power 8. Okay, so this you have to substitute the limit t equals 0 and t equals 1. Yes, finally what you will get, if I
Sir,
put t equals 1,
by 2.
3 minus
Sir, it's
4
plus 15 by 2. Or 15 by 2.
minus 15 by 2,
Sir,
minus it is 0, plus, oh sorry, plus, yes. It is 0. Lower limit is 0 because every term involving t, if I put t equal to 0, 0 minus 0 plus 0, you will get 0 only. So just simplify this. 3 minus 4 is minus 1.
13 by 2.
Minus 1 plus 15 by 2. And if I take LCM, okay, 2 is the LCM now. You will get minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 15. So answer is 13 by 2. So finally, therefore, the line integral f dot dr along C is 13 by 2. Yes, this is the answer. I hope you understand. It is a simple concept. First, you should convert all variable to a single variable. First, it should be a dot product. It is a scalar f dot dr, and after conversion to scalar, it will be a 3 variables x, y, z, and with the help of the substitution, you convert into single variable and just integrate. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. One more problem. This is a little bit different. Stay down. If f equals 3xy I cap 3xy I cap minus y square j cap, find the line integral f dot dr find the line integral f dot dr where C along C, where C is the curve, where C is the curve, y equals 2x square, y equals 2x square from 0, 0 to 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, it is not like previous two problem. It is not given all variable in terms of t. It is given y is equal to 2x square. Actually, what is this curve? Anyone? Are you remember?
So
What is y is equal to? Very good.
parabolic.
X square is equal to 4ay, y square is equal to 4ax, represents a parabola. Okay, so y is equal to 2x square also represents a parabola. Okay, yes, take a first solution. Consider, first write the problem actually, because if this is the question in the exam, the question will be in the question paper. Okay, so in your answer script, you should starts with given what is the problem, what is f is equal to. Okay, so it is must and should. Just here I am solving directly by considering f dot dr. Okay, consider f dot dr equals f dot dr, that is equal to f is 3xy I cap minus y square j cap. Okay, and there is no k cap, you can leave it. Dr is nothing but dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. Okay, yes, calculate the dot product. That becomes 3xy dx minus y square dy. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is given, you take as it is. Given y equals 2x square. Okay, this implies what is dy? Differentiate as it is.
4x.
Not only 4x, because I am not differentiating with respect to x. So simply if I take d, operator d, dy equals 4x dx. Okay, otherwise dy by dx and cross multiply dx. So you should write the variable here, dx or dy or dt. Okay, now substitute to the above equation now. Therefore, f dot dr equals 3 into x into, let it be x as it is, because see, you can observe here y also in terms of x, dy also in terms of x. So convert all y in terms of x only. So keep x as it is. Wherever y is there, you substitute, that is 2x square into dx minus y square. Y square means 2x square whole square. Shall I write directly? What is y square? 4 x
4x
power 4. Correct? 2x square whole square is equal to 4x power 4. I am substituting directly. dy is 4x dx. Okay. Now see, both the term is having this common variable, that is dx. So take dx common, and now the first term become 3 to the 6x cube. 3 to the 6x cube minus 4 is the 16 x power 5. 16 x power 5 into dx. Is it right? Therefore, integrate now. Integration of the line integral c f dot dr. F dot dr equals the line integral f dot dr, it is calculated 6x cube minus 16 x power 5 dx. Now what is the limit for this?
0 to 1.
How? It is given 0, 0 to 1, 2, nothing but first value represents x, second value represents y. Since in the integration x involves, okay, therefore x varies from 0 to 1. Okay, take down. So x equals 0 to 1. Yes, integrate. Again, simple integration. For the integration, 6 into x cube integration is x power 4 by 4 minus 16 into x power 5 integration is x power 6 by 6. And for this you have to substitute x equals 0 and x equals 1. Yes, you can simplify this. This is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 x power 4 minus this is 8 by 3. Is it right? 2 3s are 2 8s are 8 by 3 x power 6. X equals 0 to x equals 1. Yes, substitute. You will get 3 by 2 upper limit 3 by 2 into 1 minus 8 by 3 into 1 when x is equal to 1. This is upper limit minus lower limit is 0 because both the term is having x, put x equal to 0. So this is finally what you will get. 3 by 2 minus 8 by 3.
Minus 7 by 6.
Minus 7 by 6. So take the LCM.
6.
6 is the LCM. Okay. 2 3s are 3 3s are 9 minus 3 2s are 2 8s are 16. So that become minus 7 by 6. This is the line integral of f dot dr.